Mga kapatid, nandito na po tayo sa Araneta Coliseum bago magsimula yung Game 3 ng Alaska Aces versus the Meralco Bolts. Yung Alaska, nakuha nila yung unang panalo, pero nakabawi naman yung Meralco Bolts nung Miyerkules. Nakuha nila yung second win after being down by 14 points sa simula ng fourth quarter. Kaya ngayon ang tanong is, para sa Aces, anong adjustments na kailangan nilang gawin para makabawi at makuha yung Game 3? Samantala naman sa Meralco Bolts, anong kailangan nila ipagpatuloy para tuloy-tuloy ang kanilang marcha papunta sa finals? Tara! Samahan niyo ako, kausapin natin yung mga ibang players ng Meralco tsaka ng Alaska Aces. Say, ang ganda ng laro mo nung yung Game 2, passing the ball, no? Ang dami mong magandang pasa. Ano yung nangyari sa dulo, based on yung mga napanood nyo sa game? Bakit parang lamang na kayo ng 14 tapos kinapos kayo sa dulo against Meralco?
Tingin ko nag-relax yung, yung mga ibang kasamahan namin. Di ba nakita natin maganda naman yung third quarter eh. Yung start medyo flat kami. And then nung bandang maganda na yung nilaro namin eh. Lumamang na kami doon ng 11 points ata, I think. Tapos hindi namin na-sustain yung lamang namin. Nag-relax kami, akala namin easy win na. Ganun din kasi nung game 1, ganun din nangyari. Kabaliktaran naman sila yung lamang, tapos kami habol lang habol, so tapos nanalo kami. So sana itong game na to, ang game 3, sana ma-maintain namin. Hindi pwedeng first to third lang or fourth lang. Kailangan buong quarter mag-dominate kami.
Chris, I'm sure there's a lot of stuff you guys looked at in the tape that you can improve on for Game 3. What probably is the most important thing that you guys wanted to work on heading into this third game against Alaska?
Third game, we really wanted to focus on getting stops. I mean, they've been scoring pretty well, and they don't even have all their main players because due to injury. So yeah, we just want to basically get stops and try to make them take difficult shots at any chance that we get.
All right, man. Good luck later, man. Thank you. Game face yung Alaska tsaka Meralco. Subukan natin kung may makausap pa tayo ngayon. Kasi malapit na game time. 68 minutes na lang. Tony, you've seen it all for Alaska these past few games, and here you're facing a challenge against the Meralco team that's really hungry to make it to the finals. What kind of adjustments did you guys talk about heading into Game 3 that you'll need to do to seal the win in Game 3?
I mean, we have nothing but the utmost respect for Meralco. They're the hardest, probably working team in the league. They never quit. You can see it in the way they play, the players that they have, and we basically have to respect each and every player. And I think the bottom line, the secret is to outwork them, which is going to be a tough task because they all work hard. But I think Alaska, this team is up to the task.
Appreciate your time, man. Good luck.
Thanks.
Have a good one. Thanks. So pumasok na yung mga Aces tsaka yung mga Bolts sa dugout. Ngayon, malapit na rin magsimula ang Game 3. Kaya talagang tanong ngayon is sino ang lalamang sa serye? Is it going to be the Meralco Bolts or the Alaska Aces? Reporting from the Smart Araneta Coliseum, ako po si Chuck Araneta.